This is an LSAT question, and the biggest trap here is thinking you need new science instead of proof that the cause and effect story actually works. Pause the video now if you want to try it on your own. This is a strengthen question. In this case, that means the argument is almost persuasive, but there's something in the reasoning that's still a little shaky. Your job is to add information that makes the conclusion more likely to be true, not restate the argument or introduce new topics. Let's read the stimulus carefully. A climatologist predicts that winter temperatures in the Rockies will rise due to global warming. Because of that, more precipitation will fall as rain instead of snow. From this, the climatologist concludes that mountain snowpack will melt earlier and faster, causing more spring flooding and less stored water for summer. Notice what's going on structurally. The premise is about temperature increases and precipitation turning into rain. The conclusion is about earlier snowmelt and its downstream effects. The hidden assumption is that milder winters and rain actually do cause snowpack to melt earlier and reduce water storage. That causal link hasn't been proven yet, it's just assumed. That tells you exactly what would strengthen this argument. Real-world evidence showing that when winters are milder, snowpacks melt earlier and cause more flooding and less summer water. That's why the correct answer is B. It says that in other mountainous regions, after relatively mild winters, snowpack melting has led to greater spring flooding and less storable water than after colder winters. This directly confirms the missing causal step. The same cause produces the same effect elsewhere, so it's much more likely to happen in the Rockies too. Now quickly, why the others fail. A talks about more total precipitation, but more rain doesn't prove earlier snowmelt. It doesn't fix the gap. C compares different areas within the Rockies, but those regions may have long-term adaptations. That doesn't tell us what rapid global warming will do. D is about the world in general, not mountainous regions specifically, which makes it too broad and less relevant. E talks about larger snowpacks causing flooding, but the stimulus never claimed snowpacks would be larger, just that they'd melt earlier. If you want help mastering these patterns and pushing your LSAT score higher, book a free consultation with Hummingbird LSAT Prep.